and welcome to another one of my videos. I'm Libby Dyson. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and I was just thinking about what I could do to entice you to buy some products so you get a free Sale-A-Bration item. And I decided to look at the Sweet Memories and More card pack. Now, I have used this before, but today we're going to make 2 quick cards with it, and I'll show you how fast it is. No stamping, just some gluing and maybe a bit of ribbon. We're going to see if we can combine that with the Sweet Soiree embellishment kit, this one here. Just beautiful. It's got ribbon, shiny accents and embellishments for adorning your projects. Coordinated the colours to go with the Sweet Soiree, so it'll go with this Memories and More pack. And it's got 2 sheets of vellum or silver foil die cuts, 2 sheets of printed cardstock, silver foil die cuts, 1 sheet white cardstock, silver foil die cut numbers, mini paper silver foil tassels with jump rings, and 2 each of 3 colours of Flirty Flamingo, Marina Mist white, and white and silver foil, washi tape, and mini clothes pegs, plus Marina Mist 3/8 of an inch scallop velvet ribbon. Just beautiful. So that's $19.25 in the Occasions catalogue, and when you turn the page, here we go, and here's some more ideas for Memories and More, and this is using Petal Passion, but there's different sized albums and pages, page protectors in the annual catalogue, plus there's a journaling pen, all sorts of things to make recording your memories quick and easy. But today we're going to focus on making some cards. So think about what you would like to spend your $90 on Australian before postage, and order this pack. It's just awesome. Alright, so I have 2 card bases here of Rich Razzleberry, and that will go with the cards from the Memories and More pack. So I'm just going to fold them, and this is like, you know, from the beginning. Okay, it takes you 5 seconds to cut your card, but we're going from the beginning and making 2 cards. I'll post one today and one tomorrow with the video, and I've chosen these cards. So all I'm going to do is pop this on the front. I'm going to trim it down a bit because the US have bigger sizes than us. So I'm going to trim that down in a second. I'm just going to adhere that to the card. This is how quick this can be. You can make handmade card in minutes and it will look fantastic. So I'm going to place this on the card base to one side and leave a little gap top and bottom, because that's what happens when you're using or imperial sizes with metric. Okay, and I'm going to do the same for the other one. Just adhere that to the card base to one side. So I'll just bring it in. These are both going to be landscape cards. So Rich Razzleberry is not a card base that I use a lot, but decided it would go nicely today with these cards from the Memories and More pack. So then I'm just going to bring in my trimmer. Well, you can actually do this with your scissors, but with your snips, but it's just as easy to do this. Make sure it's in the track, slice down, done. That's a little scrap that maybe we can use on the envelope. Alright, same for this one. Here we go. Slice down. Alright, and then we've got another little bit left over. Okay, so That's our card fronts done so far. Now, I think I teamed that up with that. No, that with that. And this with that. So again, in with the liquid glue. So it's got to be fast and simple because we're all busy. We don't have a lot of time to spend on making things, and when we do, we want to see something finished that hasn't taken us hours. I mean, if it was somebody really, really special, you would take a long time over them. These are just cards to have in your stash, so you can use them when you need them. Today was a day to remember. That'd be great to give to somebody you go out with, you know, like go to the movies or something like that. All right, so far we're doing well. Okay, out with my little embellishment kit. Let's see, I don't think we'll use the pegs or the, see these tassels, aren't they cute? They've got their own jump rings. These are the little white pegs you get. This is the beautiful Marina Mist ribbon. Yeah, just gorgeous. Oh, some washi tape. Right, in with the washi tape because I'll show you what we're going to do. Alright, I've got 1, 2, and they're both going to be landscape, so I'll just do one at a time. I'm just going to line my card up on my grid paper. Alright, so find the edge of the washi tape and just go from one side, line it up, whoops, there we go. Line it up on this side, stick it down, and there we've got our insert embellished. I'm just going to leave that there for the moment because we use it for the other one as well. Now for the other one, I might decide to go a bit fancy this time. So yes, I'm doing a portrait, but let's hope this works. Go from there to there, stick it down. Then go from there to there. And see, using your grid paper, you get perfectly straight lines. So, trim it off. That's the insides of our cards done. Let's do the envelopes. One envelope here, so I'm going to turn that up the other way and line the crease up. We're just going to go down and across. Try and get my finger off it this time before it bounces back up. Alright, you don't have to use your snips, you can just tear it like that. Tuck it in underneath. Make sure you haven't got any sticky showing. Might just cut that bit off. Alright, that's better. Turn that one over. Then maybe we need a bit on the front, do you think? So, just put a bit down here, right, and then just cut that off at the base because you don't want it to get caught in the mail selector. Alright, that's one envelope done. And this envelope, we might just put a bit along the bottom this time. So just a bit here, not straight, mind, and a bit here. Oops, get away from me. Okay, and on the front, we're putting it down this side. So, I might actually do, you know what I'll do? I'll do a cross. Go across as a diagonal, spending more time on the envelopes than we are on the cards. But it looks good and people like to receive happy mail. So that's those, and if I carefully lift that off my grid paper, I just come in with my snips and cut those bits off. Alright, so that's the insides of our cards done and our envelopes. Maybe just a bit of decoration for the front, do you think? You could leave them as they are. You can see I've used some of these. That's what they're meant for, to be used. These are all going to be a little bit big for our card front. This one I don't think needs anything. So I think what I'll do is I might put that one on there. So you just pop the sticker out, pop a dimensional on the back of it, or two, pop that there. Alright, so that's our cards done basically. Just got to adhere the bits together and we're done. So, envelopes there, insides, let's see, we'll make this one a bit fancier because it doesn't have anything on the front. And so, go to my online store and shop, spend $90 and you could choose this as your Sale-A-Bration product. They have just added a whole lot more, but I haven't got that flyer on me at the moment. It'll be on my blog on the weekend. And if you've signed up for my newsletter, you'll have got it in my newsletter last night or early this morning when I was online and doing my newsletter. So if you haven't signed up for my newsletter, make sure you do that. Go to libbystamps.com, click on sign up. If you would like to join my team, I'd be really happy to have you in the crafty hours. We're only a small team, but we're growing. And yeah, Stampin' Up's a great thing, a great company to have a small business with. You can work the hours you want, when you want. And yeah, I'm having a holiday next week, so, you know, and things will just keep on keeping on. So, you know, it's great for a little bit of extra money. And now's a good time to join because you get the starter kit with an extra $174, well, up to $174 worth of stamps. So you can choose two stamp sets of any value so long as it doesn't exceed $174. And then once you've signed up, you're part of my team. And I have team training, we have challenges, you can get rewards that can be redeemed only via me through Stampin' Up. And yeah, lots more. I've got 5 team members, 5 level 1s and maybe a level 2 coming to on stage with me, and I've got fabulous gifts for them which I'll share at a later date. But anyway, that's our 2 cards today. So that was quick and simple, wasn't it? Alright, thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.
Imagination, try to draw outside